Hello everybody, welcome to my English class. So how are you, all of you? I think all of you are fine and ready. All are ready for study? Okay. So we will study with fun, not like just open your books and you start reading. No, like that. So some words always you use and you are familiar with those words and how you will use those words. Say hello. After hello you have to continue with communication with someone. So how you will communicate with someone? By using words that you are commonly heard every day in your daily life. So this basic vocabulary first you have to learn, then you will proceed with your grammar and writing portion. Say hello. It's a greeting, and how you will use hello, how are you? First you can say like this way, hello, how are you? Then goodbye. When you say goodbye, used when leaving from a place, or after communicating someone, you are leaving from that place, you use goodbye. So goodbye, see you tomorrow. So after a long talk, or after communication, after some time, you want to quit that place. So all of a sudden you cannot go. So for that you have to say something in a very gentle way. How you will say goodbye, see you tomorrow. May not you see that person tomorrow, or you will be engaged somewhere, but this is a formality. But we usually always said this type of words after communication with someone. So goodbye, see you tomorrow. Then please, how we will use please? Used to make a polite request. Please is used to make polite request. So example, one example here, one I'm showing you, and you can use according to your communication with the person. Please give me a glass of water. So anything you are asking, or anything you want, any work you are asking from someone, you can use please. Then thank you, to express gratitude. To express gratitude, thank you for your help. We always say this word. It is very common, thank you. Sorry, to apologize. To apologize, sorry, we usually used. How you will use? I'm sorry for being late. For late, or anything you done wrong, or you think that this is not for the situation, not good for the situation, you all of a sudden done that work and all, whatever maybe, or any loose talk you talked at that time, heat of the moment, you have said someone to bad words and all this, or anything you have done which is wrong, so you say sorry. So how you will say, I am sorry for whatever. You can use the subject matter. Here I have given for as an example, for being late. Yes, how you will use yes? Yes, no, you always use. It is very common. Yes, used to agree. When you agree something, you say yes. Yes, I understand. So yes, whatever may be the yes, only saying just yes won't do. Sometimes we have to use some words with yes. So I understand whatever that person said, or whatever that person done, and you have understand that. Next we proceed. No, how you use no? Used to disagree. When we disagree something or someone, whatever that person said, or anything, whatever the subject matter, if you go against that, you say no. So how you'll express no? I don't want tea. So you don't want, or you don't want to, whatever the subject matter, want to do some work or like that, whatever maybe, you express like that. Only saying no won't help. Sometimes we have to use some words, a sentence also. So how you use in a sentence? So in this way you can use in a sentence. Then water, a clear liquid we drink. So how you'll use water? I need a glass of water. And water also for other purpose, you can, the situation according to that, you can use water as a sentence, make a sentence with that. So I am giving one example. You try with this each and every word and make at least five sentences. Then you're able to communicate with the people in your surroundings, and you will be well versed in this English way, and you can speak also fluently. Then house, a place where we live. So it is very common, this house, you always use this word. So I live in a big house, or whatever maybe regarding house, you can make few sentences. School, so a place where we learn, a place where we learn. So I go to school every day. With school, at least 5 sentences you frame. Then book, you are familiar with books, something we read. So I am reading a book. So in this way you frame different sentence and use in your communication when you talk to someone, and in your daily life you can use this word, this common word you heard but you hesitate to express in a sentence. But it is very easy to, if you see this example and you frame it small sentences, then you will practice, make you well versed, and take it as a fun. Make how many sentences for each and every word? 2, 3, then increase it from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, like this way you increase day by day. Then in your diary or in your copy, you see how many you have created, and your vocabulary also increase in this way. So now you can use in your as a language, you can speak, means whatever your mother tongue may be, but this language is a foreign language, but you can speak because you are with fun you are learning, not as a language you are just studying pages after pages. No. So with fun and with love you are learning. First you have to love this language, and then you can able to learn, and in a fun way, in a game way, with your brother, sister, or with your anyone, friends, you start making sentence competition. Means how many sentence from 5 words they can make. So many words I have given you: house, school, no, yes, water, book, and in previous slides also there are so many words I have given. With those words you make a competition, two sentences or 5 sentences or 3 sentences, whatever you can, as many as you can take, and that person will get so many points. Like that way, in a game, you learn through a great game. Then you will see that your vocabulary also increase, and you are able to use these languages without hesitation. In front of a mirror you start saying all these words, how you will speak, then you will easily speak in front of anybody. Now the next slide, pen, a tool for writing. So I write with a pen. Bag, a thing used to carry items. My school bag is heavy. Friend, someone we like and trust. My best friend is very kind. Happy, feeling good and joyful. I am happy today. Feeling unhappy, sad, that is, she looks sad after hearing the news. Angry, feeling upset. He was angry because he lost his keys. Next is excited, feeling very happy and eager. I am excited about my birthday. Tired, feeling sleepy or exhausted. I am tired after work. Eat, to take food. I eat rice every day. Drink, to take liquid, drink water when I'm thirsty. Sleep, to rest at night. I sleep at 10 p.m. Walk, to move on foot. I walk to school daily. Read, to understand written words. He loves to read books. So read to understand written words, reading. So he loves to read books. So if you want to join my English class, all details, contact is given here. If you like my channel, subscribe, like, share it, and first of all learn it. Whatever I have given as in my channel, try to love. If you like it, then I will understand that, and you can suggest many things what I can provide you, so that you can clearly understand all those languages, whatever maybe you want, means which portion you feel difficulties, you tell me in the comments, so that I can highlight also those things, so that you can learn. And if you want to join my class for grammar and writing skill, and so that you will be well versed in writing, you can join my class. Contact details is there. So for today, thank you. I see you in my next video. Thank you to all.